In this guide, you'll learn how to stack STX tokens using the Lether wallet, specifically via lock stacks. Stacking allows you to lock your STX tokens to secure the Stacks network and secure Bitcoin rewards. Follow these steps to stack your STX safely and effectively. Step 1. Begin by installing the Lether wallet on your device. Click the menu button at the top right and select Change Network. Choose the main net to ensure you are stacking on the correct network. Step 2. Stacking STX via Lockstacks. Open the Lockstacks website, click on Connect Wallet, and link your Lether wallet. Choose a pool. Select Stack in a pool to choose the Custom Pool option. You will delegate to Blockdaemon as your stacking pool provider. Next, input Blockdaemon's pool operator address, which is shown on screen. Important: currently, you can only join the Blockdaemon pool. Setting up a custom pool isn't supported. Specify the STX amount. Enter the amount of STX you want to stack. Ensure it's at least 50 STX and that you have enough to cover transaction fees. Approve the transaction in your wallet and activate your stake. You also have the option to stack with the Lether desktop app. Download and install the Lether desktop app. Step 2. Log in using your secret key or hardware device. Step 3. Click Get Started and select Stack in a pool. Step 4. Enter Blockdaemon's pool operator address. Then set the amount of STX to stack. Specify the number of cycles for the pool to stack your STX. Note: you can only join the Blockdaemon pool. Custom pool setups are currently not possible. Review the transaction details, including fees, and then click Confirm and Lock. Sign and confirm the transaction in your Lether wallet. Once confirmed, your STX will be locked on the chain. By following these steps, you've successfully stacked your STX tokens. Your tokens are now helping to secure the Stacks network, and you'll secure Bitcoin rewards as a result. Make sure to monitor your stacking status to keep track of your rewards.